Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is September the 26th, 2022. I'm going to give you all an updated price prediction into the market for Sandbox. You guys can see that I've done this price prediction going all the way back in June. And here it is, about to be the ending of September. So I wanted to come in and update you all as to how the market has been trending in Sandbox. You guys can see not too much has been going on. The market actually has finally came down here to this area that I identified, which means that we should have taken some profitability there. It means we should have taken some profits right there around 80 cents. So hopefully y'all was able to do that. So let's go ahead and get rid of that. The profitability amount was around 23.36%. Congratulations to those who held on for that time period, because now we need to give y'all updated price prediction. So make sure you guys hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe. You guys appreciate my videos and my content, because I am not going to give you anything that is hard nor confusing. We just simply want to be in position so that we can profit from the price move. Now you guys can see that a lot hasn't changed though. I mean, Sandbox is still traded within these two lines which have been identified on the chart in front of you, which simply means that there is not a lot of bias in terms of who's bullish and who's bearish. We're just still seeing the market in Sandbox continually trading within this trading range. We really need to try to figure out which of these lines is going to break. That's it. We need to try to figure out which of these two lines is the strongest and which one is the weakest. You guys can tell that it's pretty balanced. The market has held support in Sandbox around 80 cents on June the 20th, June the 19th, 2022, and it's doing it again here. The market was acting as rejection or resistance around $1.39 to $1.50. Now let's go ahead and look at this on the monthly chart. Since we are close to the end of the month, you guys can see that we haven't seen a lot in terms of price movement. The spread of this current monthly price bar in Sandbox is awfully small. Look how small that spread is when you look at it compared to the last 3 months. I mean, we have a wider spread here over the last 3 months in Sandbox, and then we get to the month of September and we're not seeing a lot of price movement. What in the world is going on? That could be indicative of the market in Sandbox buying. This could be the market buying up this particular cryptocurrency, because as we see the months go on, look at the volume. It's on the decrease. The market volume is decreasing, which means that a lot of the people who sold Sandbox back here during the ending of 2021, beginning of 2022, have now left the market. So eventually we will see the market in Sandbox begin to go up. Let's look at this on a weekly chart. Now, I think you guys can see it right here, even on the weekly chart, that last week, even though we did see selling, this weekly price bar right here is selling, but look at how it closed higher than the previous week's close. It closed higher. So we're definitely seeing buyers come into the market in Sandbox. Now, it's not a whole lot of buying, because there's still some sellers here mixed in with the buyers. We need to continually see the market in Sandbox hold 80 cents. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to extend this support line, because it's going to be real important as we see the market trade in the month of October to see price hold. It has to hold. And right now, that's what we're getting. The market, even though we're here in terms of seeing weakness, the buyers are still willing to buy up Sandbox around 80 cents. Let's look at this on the hourly chart. Okay, because this is the market in Sandbox over the last couple of hours. And right now, we're definitely seeing how the market wants to come through and hold this particular currency at 80 cents. Here it is at 90 cents right now into the market in Sandbox. And again, it's not massively bullish though. We're still seeing bouts of weakness coming into the market in Sandbox. We've got to be careful. And when you get these type of environments to where you really don't have a clue as to who's winning in terms of where price is going to go, that's where you just need to wait or go find another opportunity, because there are consistently opportunities every day within the cryptocurrency space, and it's just not being seen right now in Sandbox. So my prediction would be for Sandbox to continue to trade within its range, and that we need to be on the lookout to see buyers continually hold this market. They've been doing a fantastic job of it, but it hasn't been convincing to where I can say, yeah, we need to go ahead and expect the price in Sandbox to move higher. I just don't see that right now on the chart. Okay, so this is going to be a real quick video into the market in Sandbox. I do like what happened here on the 2-day chart, this 2-day price bar right here. It would have been better if we would have saw the continuation on this one, and we didn't. So the buyers didn't show up there. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I don't think that the market is is showing us any opportunities. So I'm not going to waste your time. 5-minute video. Currently what I'm expecting is that the market's going to continue to hold these two lines, and as time goes on, keep your eyes open to see whether or not the buyers are going to continually show up here, because if so, then we can get it back into position in Sandbox, buy the cryptocurrency here, and let the market ride up higher from that point. But right now it's just not that time. So we're going to have to go somewhere else and find another opportunity. I'm not going to come in and try to waste your opportunity to just talk so I could get some ad revenue from YouTube. All right, so let me go ahead and cut this short. I don't see anything here. Price prediction is just for the market and Sandbox to continue to trade within these two lines, and that's about it. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.